All right, we are back to go over our quiz, and let's just jump right into it. Tim has 6 dogs and 9 cats. Does Tim have more dogs or more cats? I'm really asking here, do you know what the word more means? Well, if I have 6 dogs and 9 cats, I have more cats. Remember, cats mean more means which one do you have extra of? Which one is bigger? And 9 is bigger than 6, so I have more cats. So number 1 was cats. Number 2, Kelly has 10 wristbands. 3 are red and the rest are yellow. How many wristbands are yellow? Let's do this one out. So Kelly has 10 wristbands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And of those 10 wristbands, 3 are red and the rest are yellow. So I'm going to put red in 3. And then the rest are yellow. So I'll put a Y for yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I would just have to count. There are 7 yellow wristbands. You also could have done it as a number sentence. So in our number sentence, we would have known that there are 10 total wristbands and 3 are red. So 10 total wristbands minus our 3 red bands would give us our yellow, which we know is 7. So either way you do it, it's 7. And both of these ways count as showing your work, which is always important so that your teacher knows what you were thinking. Let's go over our last problem. Brad has 12 cans of Coke and 10 cans of Pepsi. Which soda does Brad have fewer of? So for this problem, I'm really asking, what does fewer mean? What does fewer mean? Well, fewer means less. And since we have 12 cans of Coke and 10 cans of Pepsi, we have less Pepsi than we do Coke. So the answer would be Pepsi. That concludes our quiz for our 5th lesson. Tomorrow we will be starting a new unit solving 2-step word problems, because right now we've been only doing 1-step word problems. I'll see you tomorrow. Please go on to iReadyNow and do 30 minutes of lessons that are tailored specifically for you. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.